If you wake up with tingling hands or end your day with stiff legs, it might be collagen loss, not just aging. Over time, collagen breaks down, affecting your joints and muscles. But the good news is, certain fruits can help rebuild collagen quickly, without the need for expensive supplements. Here are 3 powerful science-backed fruits that can restore strength and flexibility. 1. Amla. Amla, or Indian gooseberry, is one of the best fruits for collagen restoration. Rich in vitamin C and polyphenols, it not only promotes collagen production, but also protects the collagen you already have. A study found that Amla reduced knee pain by 42% and increased collagen density by 24%. You can consume it as juice, in smoothies, or mix it with honey for quick results. 2. Strawberries. Strawberries are loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants that help preserve and protect collagen. Regular consumption can prevent inflammation and reduce pain, with one study showing a 37% decrease in knee osteoarthritis symptoms. For the best results, eat them fresh, ideally organic, and avoid processed forms like jams. 3. Guava. Guava is a hidden gem when it comes to collagen building. It contains 4 times the vitamin C of an orange, giving your body the nutrients it needs to produce collagen. Plus, it helps preserve the collagen you already have with antioxidants like lycopene. Studies show that guava can reduce joint inflammation and improve skin elasticity. Eat it raw with the skin on for maximum benefit. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone over 60 who needs stronger joints and pain-free legs.